This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the CS Fundamentals Express course. I'm on Lesson 6, Creating with Code, Puzzle 6. Maybe we should make a tag for each of our pets in case they get lost. Finish this tag by drawing a rectangle around the outside. The long sides are 200 pixels, each short sides are... and the short sides are each 100. Okay, 100. So now we're going to have to end up changing sizes. Let's go ahead and do a move forward. And then we said the long sizes were 200. So if you just click in here, you can type the number you need. And it looks like to me that's a right angle because it is a square. And then I want to go. Make sure you move forward and not jump. That always messes me up. 100. And let's test this so far. Whoops. And that's why we test. That is a right turn. Ta-da! Alright. And then we need another right turn, it looks like. And we want to move forward. How much? By 200. It's a long side. And then we want to turn again. Right. And it's a short side. Pacha. I want to point something out. So we can use a repeat here. Right now we're using 8 out of 8 blocks. If we wanted to, this will work. I'll show you. But in code, the best thing to do is eliminate repeat blocks, right? There's several ways to do that because it's just better for computers and better for us. So each time, and I can turn right one more time, it's easier to see. I go forward 200, turn right, forward 100, turn right. Forward 200. If I split this up, it's the same thing twice. So instead of having 8 blocks like I do here, oh, well now I have 9, I can use repeat and just tell it to run this block of code twice, because that's what we were doing anyways. So now I only need to put this and these 4 things, and it will do it all. It will go forward, right, and then hit the bottom, go back to the top, and do it again. And it will still get the side links right. Let's test it out. And this will do the same thing, and it's more technically correct. Both work, both are correct. This is just considered the better way. And then it loops. Awesome. Let's keep going.